Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So I started fooling around. If you watch some of my other videos, I started fooling around printing these little side cover washers in different colors. Right now I have some magenta ones on the bike because that's a bright color that I had that was close to red. I'd like red, but anyways, we'll get to work. I'll show you what they look like here. You know, tell you guys about them. I've had some people go, I want some, and my 3D printer's been working pretty good. I haven't used it in a while, and of course now I'm having hot end issues. I got a Tivo Tarantula. I'm not going to say the thing's clapped out because I put it together, but it's been used probably 2-3 years at least at this point. So the hot end is just, it's fucked. I have a spare hot end. I've been kind of waiting to install it. I really just need a new printer, and I've been talking about it for a while. Well, maybe not with you guys, but I've been thinking about it and talking about it. I want to get a like a Ender 6 or something. I really want to get something new, because here I've got, you know, people that actually want some stuff, and I can't make it, which is pretty dumb. So yeah, I'm looking at maybe next month. I've got a couple $100 saved if I can, you know, they're about $500, $550. So I got a little bit of money saved. If I can hang on to some more cash, then I can pick one up. I really need to do something. Yeah, you know, it's turning out all right. I know some CAD software. I used SketchUp. That's kind of what I learned on. And the thing is, SketchUp is kind of like CAD for babies. I mean, it's all right, but I mean, it's good for all the simple things that I've needed to do. But in reality, you know, it's just not as powerful as Fusion 360, which I have and I've been kind of dabbling with, and you know, it's completely different. So going from one to the other is not that easy, okay? But you know, one of the reason that, you know, I wanted to switch is because with SketchUp, you know, is like giving me like a polygon type circle, which in my opinion is kind of messed up. It's not quite round, you know, it's like a 20-sided polygon or something or more. I'm like, okay, this is kind of weird. So, and SketchUp's always done that to me. I don't know why, but Fusion 360, no problem. I just had to figure out how to make the shapes and do everything I wanted, which I did figure out, and I made 2 versions of this of the side panel washer. The version 1 I have on the bike right now. Version 2, you know, that's when my printer started having problems. So I don't think there's anything wrong with my model. I think there's something wrong with my printer. I tried unclogging it before I left for work today, but I took the whole hot end apart or whatever. I'm gonna have to basically rewire it. I gotta pull out the whole hot end, and I gotta wire in my new hot end and everything. Hopefully that won't take too long. But so yeah, you know, anyways, the point being is that definitely getting better at Fusion 360, but now to just be slowed down by printer problems. So you know, I wanted to try some in ABS. I can't print ABS on that machine. It's too hot. And so, you know, I used to do stuff on treat stock. There, you can make 3D parts for people. I actually did that as a business for a while. That's probably how my Tarantula got all clapped out. Just a lot of work put on that machine. So I just went on treat stock and submitted my design, and in ABS, and I'm having somebody make them right now. We'll see how they turn out. I want to see how a better printer does. You know, but yeah, I'm hoping to get the new printer here, and so the other half of my fender eliminator kit came in, the universal taillight mounting bracket, and I also ordered, because it comes with a pretty nice wiring harness, was a TST Industries sequential integrated turn light brake light for the back, and this guy that I ordered is smoked, so it actually will look like a, you know, black smoked plastic instead of red. So that's supposed to be coming today. So I'm anticipating tomorrow. Today's Friday. I'm anticipating tomorrow that we'll be able to put on the TST Industries brake light and the Yoshimura fender eliminator kit, and we'll add on the rear turn signals. You know, ooh, look at that sun. Nice. I just don't get killed by the fucking semis here. These guys are crazy over here. Oh yeah, and they just implemented new restrictions at the lab. You know, they you know, because of the COVID-19, you know, everybody's been staying home. But you know, the people that are here, if you're vaccinated, you don't have to wear a mask or whatever. But they changed that yesterday or the day before, so now everybody has to wear a mask. So, which is, hey, it is what it is, right? But I guarantee you I'll be running into people today that aren't wearing their mask because they think that they don't have to. But, hang on a second.
Hey, good morning.
Hey, morning.
Can I change the lid off?
No. Yeah, all right. Hey, are they implementing lab-wide masks now for everybody?
Yeah.
Was that yesterday?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. I got one anyway, so.
Okay. I got
Yeah.
an extra if you need it.
Okay, cool. Yeah, I got it in my pocket. You can't really wear it with the helmet.
Yeah.
I'll put it on when I get there.
Yeah,
All right, thanks, buddy.
That's really cool.
It's cool, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just bought it. It's 22.
Dang, that's really nice. It's not electric, is it?
No, it's gas. It's a 125.
Really
It's a grom, Honda Grom.
Damn, that's really cool.
Yeah, I'm getting 116 miles to the gallon.
Wow. Gotta get me one of those. Oh,
Yeah, man, they're only $3,600.
that's not bad.
I think I put it on 5 years, and it's like $78 a month, man.
That's not bad at all.
Nah.
Yeah.
And, you know, so, and I only live 4 miles the other way, so, you know, I got my other car is the Challenger. I got that black Hemi,
Oh, okay.
and it gets about 10 miles to the gallon.
Yeah, complete opposite.
Exactly. So I'm like, time to save some gas. So, and this is fun.
Yeah, looks
Yeah.
like it.
So, all right, man.
All right, man.
We'll see ya.
Have fun.
All right.
Have a good weekend.
Yeah, you too. That guy's pretty cool, man. They're hiring all sorts of new people. That guy is new too. I usually sit and talk to all the guards. They're nice guys. Man, look at that. Just like the other day. Is that not amazing? I mean, if you don't believe in something, I mean, how could you not? Look at that. That's amazing. Wow. Anyway, so they're talking about, I was telling you guys about these stupid mask restrictions. That's what I was asking them about. So yeah, it's lab-wide today. I would check with them because I was pretty sure that was the case. But yeah, so I'm sure there's going to be a few people at my work that are going to try to not do it. And it's funny, it's the people that were all about getting the vaccine. So anyways, I won't talk too much about that. You guys do whatever you need to do for yourself, right? So, but anyways, what else can we talk about? We can talk about how deer always jump out here. I'm always very cautious. This it's like it's the kill box right here. The deer will jump out from either side, just right across here. One time, going the other way, a deer jumped out in front of me, and I stopped, and then 13 more deer jumped in front of me. I counted them. 13. A lot of friggin' deer. So yeah, we get a lot of deer in here. They love this area by the woods on either side. So, but I ordered a 17-tooth sprocket for this thing. We're gonna boost up the top end of this bike. I want another. I think I can get another 10-15 miles per hour out of it, so that we're not friggin' redlining if I want to go to my buddy's house or something. Plus, you know, I don't need some of the torque down here low end. I don't need to be doing wheelies. I'd rather have some of my low end torque gone and gain some top end, and not put this bike in the grave too early, because, you know, I don't want to be running this thing so hard that you know, I blow it up, right? So the 2020 Groms come with 14-tooth pinions. This comes with a 15-tooth pinion and 5 gears, right? That was 14-tooth and four gears. This one's 15-tooth and 5 gears. But the thing is that yeah, I want to get that little boost to the top end. It would just make this thing a little bit more fun, a little bit more commutable. You know, because the towns around me, once you get out of, you know, town, like if I head out of Batavia and go to Elburn, you know, the speed limit there is, you know, 60, 65, you know, it depends. You get up and it goes pretty quick, right? So here, see, so we got our these are the magenta. So these are just 3 of them, right? Man, that sun, look at that, shining right on this thing. And then maybe we'll get a picture of that, and then you can see on this side too. So like I said, I plan on them being red, you know, and I probably, you know, do those also. But I do like just the side covers with the color too. So let's see if we can get a shot here. Some of that cool no, not. Why you no work? Stop recording. There we go. It's these gloves, everybody. Kissed by the sun. Right? Yeah, kind of like that. That's fucking cool. Definitely that. Here. What happens if I do this? I'll get one like that. I don't know how well that's gonna turn out. Maybe we'll get one from this way. Like that. Right. I like this shot the best. Okay. Alright, everybody. Thanks for coming along with me. You know, I try to keep these vlogs to once a week, but you know, I'm trying to tell you about the updates that are coming here. Like I said, we're going to be getting rid of the tail light, go to TST Industries, fender eliminator kit, Yoshimura, turn signals, just like these, up front, and that's it. Alright guys, we'll see you on the next one. Easy.